everybody. Today we're doing a review of this beautiful bag. It is the Coach Quilted Tabby, size 33. I've had it for about 3 months now, and I wanted to review it after I had it for a while so I could give you an honest review. I love this bag. I can carry my life in this bag, so we're also going to look at what fits. Just off the bat, it is Napa leather. It's quilted with a gold. I have the version with the gold C and the gold chain, which is adjustable, so you can wear it on your shoulder or as a crossbody. It also has a pocket on the back that goes from side to side, so you can put your keys in there, your cell phone. The inside of the bag itself is large, cavernous. So you have a pocket on the back where you could just stash your cards or cash. You have another pocket here that's quite large. You have a zip pocket in the middle, as well as you have another pocket here, and then you get an additional pocket. So if you're a pocket girl the way that I am, or a pocket person, this is a bag for you. So the Quilted Tabby comes in 3 sizes. You have a 20, a 26, and a 33. When I went to Coach and I was looking for a bag, I wanted something where, like I said, I could carry my life in it. I carry quite a few things just because I'm a pocket girl. I gotta have stuff. So first thing I'm putting in it is my wallet. I'm putting it in the back pocket. I have my Ray-Ban sunglasses. Goes in. Still got a lot of space in here because I'm afraid of spills and ink pens and makeup, lipstick, something spilling in my bag. Always put those things in a case. So that goes in the front pocket. Because I have my cell phone is my life, I carry a portable charger, and that will also go in the front pocket with a lot of space. Earbuds, front pocket. Yes, I'm a purist. At times I will break out the notepad and with a pen, because I'm always jotting down. I'm always writing. Hand cream. Yes, got to keep the shine off my nose at times. So have my compact, and with that, comb. That's going in the middle, and I still have a ton of space, as you can see, inside this bag, and I haven't even put anything in the middle compartment, so except for a comb. So you still have space in the front as well as in the back pocket here. So I'll say this, fantastic bag. This bag was approximately, it was listed at $7.25, so it is on the higher price point. The quilted 20 is around $395, $400. The 26 is about $550. But Coach has sales from time to time, especially during the holiday season. So you may be able to catch a sale and save yourself a few dollars. So this bag does get 2 thumbs up approval, 5 stars from me, because like I said, I can carry everything I want to carry in this bag. It's a great bag if I want to carry it on my shoulder, if I want to crossbody it. It's really easy to get in and out of. It does have this secure lock here on the front. It's not an issue to get in and out of. It's very simple to open and to close. And yeah, I do recommend it. So even if you don't want to get the 33, the 26, I like that one as well. That's good for day-to-day shopping, moving around, running errands, as well as the 20. So It's a Coach product. The leather is fantastic. You can't go wrong with it. So like I said, this one definitely does get a 5 stars from me. So we ask that you just, I hope you like this video. I ask that you click the subscribe button and give us some likes here so we can continue to grow this channel. Thanks very much for sitting with me and reviewing this beautiful bag from Coach. Until next time, take care, God bless, and be good to yourself. Bye-bye.